Hey guys, welcome back to Bike Updater Pro, where we bring you the latest updates on the world's most exciting motorcycles. Today we're diving into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Softail Standard, a stripped-down cruiser that combines classic styling with modern performance. Iconic design. The 2025 Softail Standard continues Harley-Davidson's tradition of timeless cruiser aesthetics. Its minimalist design features a raw steel look, polished chrome accents, and the iconic peanut fuel tank with subtle branding. A low-slung solo seat, chopped rear fender, and classic spoked wheels emphasize its retro charm while delivering an authentic riding experience. Power and performance. At the heart of the Softail Standard lies the Milwaukee 8 107V twin engine, delivering smooth, responsive power and that signature Harley rumble. With 92 lp-ft of torque, this bike excels in both city cruising and open-road performance. Its lightweight Softail frame, paired with rear monoshock suspension, ensures excellent handling and a comfortable ride. Technology and features. While the Softail Standard embraces simplicity, it doesn't skimp on essential tech. The 2025 model features keyless ignition, LED lighting, and a digital display integrated into the handlebars. Riders can customize the bike further with Harley's extensive catalog of accessories, making it truly unique. Customization potential. Harley-Davidson designed the Softail Standard as a blank canvas for personalization. Whether you're looking to enhance performance, add touring capabilities, or embrace a completely custom aesthetic, the possibilities are endless. This makes it an ideal choice for riders who value individuality. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Softail Standard is a cruiser for purists, offering iconic styling, modern performance, and endless customization potential. It's perfect for those who appreciate the essence of motorcycling without unnecessary frills. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Updater Pro. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the world of motorcycles. Ride safe, and we'll see you next time.